Good morning, y'all. Welcome to my channel. I am going to show you how I make my oatmeal. And here is what I use. Steel cut oats. Okay. I use the recipe on the back, but I add my own flair. So it says to bring water, salt to a boil and then add the steel cut oats. So I use milk though. I'm going to turn on my pan. And then get my measuring cup out. Should have had it out already. All right. Thanks for watching, guys, as always. So I'm going to put 3/4 cup of milk in here. 3/4 cup. I'm going to let that come to a boil. And turn it up a little bit. All right. How y'all doing today? Everybody doing good on this Tuesday morning? Have my candle lit. That candle is lemon basil. It smells pretty good. Got it from Kirkland's. So I just sprinkle with some salt. I forgot to get the brown sugar out. Leave it to me. So I'm going to grab that right quick. And I'm telling y'all, when you make your oats with milk, it's so much better. It's more rich to me. More rich tasting. All right. Then I get a big tablespoon and I'm going to put 2 tablespoons of brown sugar. I know you probably, oh, that one didn't come out so well. You probably all think it's too sweet. So, I love brown sugar. That's good. Just give that a little stir. I have a whisk. Why don't I just use the whisk? Alright. A little whiskey. I'm going to turn it down to 6 on my electric stove. It's bubbling up real nice. Okay. And then I add a dash of king syrup. Maple and brown sugar. And I'm not one to lick my fingers, guys. I know some people will lick their fingers if they get something on it. But I don't. I think it's a gross habit. I mean, if you're cooking by yourself, then fine. And I am cooking by myself, but I still don't like to do that. Alrighty. Now I'm going to get my steel cut oats out. I just use the 1 cup measuring cup and measure it out myself. That looks like about 1/4. This really makes a thick, hearty oatmeal. Alrighty. You just let that simmer for a little bit. If you want real creamy oatmeal, you let it go past 20 minutes. But you usually cook this about 15 to 20 minutes, depending on your taste buds, how you like it. So I will come back in 15 minutes and let you see the result. By the way, guys, I actually simmer it down on 2 on the stove, on the number 2 for the 15 minutes. So I just wanted to give you that little FYI. Also, the reason I use this big pot or pan, or it's really a serving casserole dish that you put one of those, what are they called? Gosh, it escapes me. Those little things you put under it to heat it. I don't know. I know what they're called, but I can't think of it right now. It's those little flame heating things. But anyway, so I use this because it don't stick. It's stainless steel. It does good with cooking your oatmeal. So that's just a little FYI. I just came back in to add a little tip of milk. And when I say a tip, I literally took the milk jug and tipped it in, shoot, like that, let some spill out. Just because I want it to cook longer and I don't want it to be real thick. It really does look good. You do have to check on it. You can't just walk away and leave it for the 15 minutes. You have to come in and stir or whisk it, whatever you want to do, because it'll start bubbling up and you don't want it to bubble over. Alright, as soon as it's done, we'll be right back. Okay, y'all, it's finished. I am stopping it 3 minutes early. Get my bowl. I'm going to show you this beautiful oatmeal. You must try it this way. This in the sink. Oh, and look later. I don't know if, I think pretty much today, I think I'm gonna make some soup with my special recipe. I know this burner's still hot, but I keep my bowl hot. So just get all that ooey gooey oatmeal out. And then you just let it sit for a couple minutes, literally a couple minutes. And I usually, because I'm a weirdo, I usually put more milk. So, there it is. Ooey gooey, delicious oatmeal. Good for you. It's filling too. Don't forget that. It does fill you up. Let me grab the milk again. And I just pour a little over the top just so it covers it. You see? And then stir it up a little bit. It gets really sticky because of the brown sugar and the maple syrup. I know you're supposed to wait 2 minutes to let it sit, but I'm going to take a little taste. If you like your oatmeal to have more texture than the normal oatmeal, this is the oatmeal for you guys. Yummy. So there you have it. Steel cut brown sugar maple syrup. King syrup, should I say. Yummy. Enjoy your day.